Chef killed in Portland. Motorcyclist dies in Clarendon crash. Parents and son found dead at home in Spanish Town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Portland recorded its 11th murder for 2023 following the shooting death of a resident at Spring Hill about 12:15 a.m. Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Chef Ricardo Williams. The Spring Hill police say Williams was at home when two men reportedly opened a window to his bedroom and fired several shots, hitting him. Williams reportedly ran from the house and was later found bleeding by the police. He was taken to the Anoto Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations continue. A 35-year-old man died along the 19-mile main road in Clarendon on Sunday after his motorcycle collided with a car. He has been identified as Kilroy Fisher, a mechanic of Sandy Bay in the parish. According to police reports, about 7:30 p.m., Mr. Fisher overtook a line of traffic and collided with a Toyota Probox traveling in the opposite direction. The driver of the car lamented the death of Mr. Fisher, who he said was known to him. A couple and their son were found dead inside their home in the community of Waterloo in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Tuesday morning. They have been identified as 43-year-olds Omar Wellington, Sharon Francis Wellington, 36, and 16-year-old Orlando Wellington, who is a student at Innswood High School in the parish. Police personnel are currently at the scene combing for evidence. Investigators are also trying to ascertain if they were shot or stabbed. The Major Investigation Division has launched a probe into the matter. It is reported that residents stumbled on the bodies of the deceased about 5:30 a.m. and summoned the police. The police arrived and the bodies were found inside the dwelling. The community has been plunged into mourning.